So hi friends, so welcome back. So today we'll be going to look at how to find a trading for trading stock for the intraday purpose. Okay, so here we'll be going to find a stock for every 1 hour. Okay, so let me show a method to filter out the stock for the intraday purpose. Okay, so let me you guys search for the economic times Harley gainers or Harley losers based on the Nifty movement. So assume that, so make sure that like a Nifty is trading at least around 0.2% either on the green side or on the red side. Okay, if the Nifty is 0.2% on green, so search for the Harley gainers, and if the Nifty is trading in the red side in the minus 0.2%, then search for the Harley losers. Okay, so once you search for this one, so click on the first link over here, so Harley gainers live in NSE. Okay, so this filter will show you the result of whatever the stock is trade uh, moving high for the past 1 hour. Okay, so here you can go for the filter, and in the filter you just choose for the Nifty 100 stocks. Okay, so the reason behind choosing this Nifty 100 stock is like most of the Nifty stocks will be have a very good volume and it will be the liquid stocks. So the price movement is based on the right volumes. Okay, so here you can see the current hours, right? So I will be selecting the hour for 9 to 10. Okay, so this scan you should do at the time of 10 a.m. in the morning. So while doing this scan, you should make sure that the Nifty is trading at least 0.20% on either side. Based on that, you are going to choose either the gainer or the losers, right? So now by the 10 a.m. you can see that the Bharati Infratel has been moved 3.72%. Okay, so you can see that by the time of 9 it's trading at around 159.85, and by the time of 10 it's trading at 165.80, right? So let me show you one share price over here. So here you can see this. So by the time of 10, you can see the price is trading around 165.90, and also you make sure that the price is trading above the previous close. Okay, so this is the previous close. The previous close is 160.90, and by the time of 10 it's trading at 165.90 and it's above the previous close as well. Okay, so once you have confirmed that Nifty is trading at 0.20%, and if it is if the stock is there in our screener and the stock has been trading above the previous close, so you can enter the trade and you can see all the beyond the day it went till the high of 173.60. Okay, so trade with the proper SL and with the proper profit. Okay, so here you can expect the returns risk reward of at least of 1.2. Okay, if you are taking a 1 rupee of risk, you can wait for the reward of 2 rupees at least. Okay, so if you are a very good trader, you can even trial your SL. So this is the example of Bharti Infratel, right? So I'll be looking for one more example of IndusInd Bank. Right, you can see this IndusInd Bank in by around 10. So by around 10 a.m. it is trading at 436.80, and again it's trading above the previous close of 425.50, right? So after that you can see the price has been never moved down, and it is trading, and it went till the high of around 459 from the price of 436. Okay, which is like around 14 points of move. Okay, so even I'll be checking for 10 to 11. Okay, so by the 10 to 11 you can see that Godrej Consumer, it is the highest gainer for the past 1 hour, right? So I'll be checking that as well. Okay, so if you look at this Godrej Consumer, you can see that it is trading around 488 around by the 10 o'clock, but you can see that the price has been trading below the previous close, so it is better to avoid this trade, even though it actually gave a profit of around 5 rupees around, but it's better to avoid this trade. Okay, so you can filter the stocks based on the each 1 hour of candle, and it's better to avoid after the 2 o'clock, because we have just only 1 to 1.5 hours, and there will be much of the profit booking will be there, so it's better to avoid at this time for the trading. Okay, so hope this intraday strategy has been useful for you guys. So please do subscribe our channel for further video like the same. Okay, so thanks for watching.